Hi everyone, it's Heidi and it's time for my essential oil unboxing for the month of March. And so I have my order here and I'm going to share with you guys what we got and why we got it and stuff like that, and stuff that we got for free too. So first, I ordered some Raven, which is a really good respiratory oil. We were running low on it. So this has the three eucalyptus oils in it, I believe. I know I have RC too, so I can't remember, but RC and Raven are really good for respiratory systems, so we were running out, so those are really good. We put those on our chest and works well for us. And then I got, so then RC also. I got a large bottle of RC for us, and so that's going to be very helpful. And let me see, I'm just checking to make sure. Yes, I purchased that one. And then I bought 2 bottles of peppermint. We always seem to be running out of peppermint, and other people want it too. So I always have to make sure I have peppermint running around on the shelves. And then we got another bottle of Ortho Ease. We were running out of this. And so then it comes with the pump bottle. Really great. It's a carrier oil, has all kinds of really good oils that are good for muscles and joints and things like that. So we like to use this. Lasts us a long time, but it's time to get another bottle, so we did. And then Super C, if you've watched my stuff at all, you know I love Super C. So this I take every day. My husband and son do too, and so this is really great for immune system, for building that up, and it's really helped us a lot this winter. And then I got another bottle of my Thieves Cleaner. So this is great to have on hand too. I'm starting to run low on this. I take a cap of this, put it in a big spray bottle, put water in it, and I can clean my house for months. This costs like 39 cents for that bit of the cleaner to put in there. It works really well. It cleans stuff that other things wouldn't even clean. And so I've been using that for years, and it was just time to get some more. And then I did get with this, which this is out of stock. I got a little card with that, but I'll just show you what I have. I had gotten the CBD muscle rub, the 300 milligram, and joint and muscle balm. And my husband's been using this a lot lately, and we needed some more. So it's out of stock, but I'm sure it'll be coming in, and I'll get a shipment of that when it comes in. This stuff lasts a really long time. Like, we were about out of it like a couple weeks ago, and I still have plenty in here. It kind of has the consistency of Vaseline, just works really well for muscles and joints and things like that. So we needed some more, so we'll be getting that, and looks like I shouldn't run out before we get some new stuff. So then I wanted to share with you the free stuff. So those are the things that we bought, and these are the things we got for free. We got the 5 milliliter bottle of Clarity oil, and Clarity's oil is really good for mental alertness, energy, focus, all that kind of stuff, good for adults and children. This has a ton of oils in it. It has cardamom, rosemary, peppermint, basil, bergamot, geranium, jasmine, lemon, palmarosa, Roman chamomile, rosewood, and ylang ylang. So look all those up and see how powerful those are. So that's a free one. Then we also got Juva Flex, which is when anything Juva is always liver related, liver supporting, I should say. And so Juva Flex, I like to put it on my liver. This one is a blend made by Gary Young. It has geranium, rosemary, Roman chamomile, fennel, helichrysum, blue tansy, and a sesame seed oil. So great for liver support. You can put that on anytime you like. And this is the white version, so this is also a Vitality, which means that you can put it in your water or ingest it in some way, like a capsule or whatever. Then the other free one we got was Valor, and Valor is just such a wonderful smelling oil. It's really good for courage, and some people even use it to help them fall asleep, which is kind of interesting. They put it on their big toe. And so this one has blue spruce, blue tansy, geranium, I think maybe a couple other oils in there. And this probably about 5 years ago, it had gone out of stock for a really long time, and so it's really wonderful to have it in stock now all the time, and to be able to have it as a free oil. So put that on the shelf and be able to use it when we want it. And then we got, which this is a Essential Rewards order, and so every year on my 1-year anniversary of the Essential Rewards, I receive a loyalty oil. So this is called Loyalty. This is formulated by Gary Young, and people who are on Essential Rewards every year get this bottle. This has white angelica, ylang ylang, lavender, Idaho blue spruce, maybe a couple other ones. Smells great. Really fun to diffuse this one too and everything. And so it just is a little thank you gift from Young Living for being on Essential Rewards. So that's kind of fun. And then the other thing I got, which this is kind of cool, it is a little pouch. This came because of this is also free. And it is like a little pouch you can put like when you're traveling or in your purse or a gym bag or whatever. One side is for the larger oils, one side is for the smaller oils. It's like a elastic thing, so it holds your oils in there really well. And so that's fun to get. And it says inhale, exhale on it. And so just kind of another fun little thank you gift from Young Living for being an Essential Rewards member. And I think that's all we have for now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned some things. Please let me know if you have any questions, and we'll talk to you next time.